All right, I want to film this because you know how much I hate painting. Well, I hate plumbing just about as much. I just spent like an hour at the hardware store trying to figure out how to get this whole thing working. I built this portable pump a number of years ago. I used it when I had that rooftop tent camper and tent camping and other things. There's a pump in there and a filter and everything else. I can't show it to you because it's all connected. I'm only running cold water at the moment. I don't have a hot water heater that I figured that out yet. That might have to wait till I get back from my epic trip. So I've connected both hot and cold into a Y connector. So the clear hose here goes to the water tank, which, let's see if we can see that, which is back here. And here's the fill, how we fill it. The jerry can is the wastewater tank. So when that fills up, we just pull it out and dump it. I'm actually thinking about drilling a hole into the bottom of the truck. And when I'm out in the middle of nowhere, it's just sink water. I use biodegradable soap. So anyways, I haven't turned it on yet. I mounted a switch over here, which is kind of fighter pilot-ish it. Let's just give it a flip on and see what happens. All right, I heard the pump gurgle. Now let's see if we got water. Wow. Both hot and cold. Down the drain. Wow, I got some serious water pressure. Way more than in my trailer. That'll just drain right out into the tank. And I've got a water system. I don't see any leaks. Can't believe it. I usually always have leaks. I don't see any leaks at all. Keep an eye on it, though, just to be sure. But anyways, here we go. We got water.